Welcome to the channel. This lens is one in a long line of similar quality lenses. Still, I had trouble with this lens, but the circumstances were also not optimal. Too little light, and then forced to continue shooting to get the job done. And that's not the right attitude. This lens is shortened as close as possible to the rear lens element and put on bellows to be able to work from infinity to macro 1 to 1. It was a great discovery to use projector lenses. A great amount of them will be here on YouTube. Did I ask you guys to subscribe to my channel? I just want to get all my pleasures with these vintage lenses here, that's all. So never mind.